So, hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, friends, today I'm going to tell about reflections. It may be helpful for you. Reflections are everywhere you look. Without them, we wouldn't be able to see anything at all. Light is invisible until it bounces off something and enters our eyes. It doesn't bounce off all objects smoothly, but if it hits something shiny, you get a perfect reflection. When you look at yourself in a mirror, you don't see yourself as other people see you. That is because a mirror flips the image back to front or left to right, like a printing block. Try holding a book up to a mirror and see what it does to the words. You all can try this at home if you want. That's what it does to your face. This is how you see yourself in a mirror. This is how your friends see you. Mirrors. Mirrors are flat pieces of glass that are coated with a layer of shiny metal, usually silver or aluminum. A dark material is put on the back to protect the metal. Light can travel through glass but not metal. So when it hits the smooth metal surface, it bounces out again at the same angle. This forms the reflection that you see. Reflective silver layer, glass, backing, reflected light, incoming light. Concave mirrors. Curved surfaces have a different effect on reflections. When light hits a mirror that curves inward, concave, such as the ball of a spoon, the rays are bent inwards. If you are close to the mirror, you will look larger. If you are further away, you will appear smaller and upside down. A concave mirror. Convex mirrors. Mirrors that curve outwards are called convex mirrors. The back of a spoon is convex. So when you look at it, you see yourself much smaller and also see more of the background around you. This is because the curved surface reflects the light rays outwards. A convex mirror. If you put two mirrors opposite each other, you can get multiple reflections. This is because light bounces off one mirror and reflects it to the other. It then bounces a reflection back to the first mirror, and so on. So, thanks for watching. Bye.